Good morning, students. Um, Happy Saturday. Hope you all are doing great. And last time we already have studied how to use was, were, and had. We just use past tenses in a conversations, in many conversations. And today we are going to learn how to use future tense in a conversation. Like first we will be learning how to use had been in past tense, how to use conversation in past tense. After that we are going to learn about future tense, where we are going to use future tense words like will, shall, then will be, shall be. So you can get it. Today we are going to learn three things. So let's get started. So in the first part, like in part 8, after part 7, we are going to study part 8, where we are seeing that we are using had and been. So let's get started. So as you see, Kamal and Raju are having conversation, where Kamal said, had you been studying for last 2 hours? Had you been, you can see had you been, had been is been used in a conversation, where Raju said, yes, because I had been planning to see a movie, a film, after finishing my work. Well, Kamal said, but why Ram also had been studying with you? Well, Raju said, because he had also been insisting on going with me for the film. Well, Kamal replied, but your mother was saying that you had been planning to go out with some friends. Raju said, yes, previously we had been planning something of that sort, but later we changed our program. So you are seeing that we have just used had been in a conversation. So afterward we are going to the next part, that is future tense, where we will be studying will and shall. So it's a conversation between Kabir and Lovely. Well, Kabir said, will you play? Well, Lovely said, no, I won't. Kabir said, will you come tomorrow? Well, Lovely said, yes, I will come. Kabir said, will you be staying here tonight? Well, Lovely answered, no, I will go back. Kabir said, will you see Raja on Friday? Well, Lovely said, no, I will wait for you at home. So you are seeing it's a question and answer round between Kamal and Lovely. They are like the Kabir was questioning her, where Lovely is answering him. So will can be used as a question, or we can just use it as an answer as well. So after this we are going to go to the next part, that is will be and shall be, where Ami and Suraj are having a chat. Well, Ami said, will you be in the train at this time tomorrow? Well, Suraj said, yes, I will be about to reach Kanpur at this time. Well, Ami said, shall we not be playing match at this time? Suraj said, yes, of course, we will be. Ami replied, or you can say Ami questioned, shall we be coming to Simla? Or you can say Ami questioned, shall we be coming to Simla? Let me repeat. Ami questioned, shall we be coming to Simla? Again and again. Well, Suraj replied, no, we won't be. I am very sorry if I am stammering because the thing is that I'm stammering because I'm still now not good. I have a little throatache and a little headache. So please don't mind with my stammering problem. So after reading the conversation between Kamal, Raju, Kabir, Lovely and Amir and Suraj, so we get to know there are so many types of sentences we can create with tenses. Like we are using past tense, future tense, present tense. So you can get it, right, how we are very easily using it. We already have read in grammar books, we have created sentences in grammar book, we have already studied sentence and predicate and subject and so many grammatic sentences we have studied. So from there you can just get so many conversation. You can create sentences from those kind of grammar works, from the worksheet you have done in your school, and in literature book where you have read the stories of many kind of stories of Robinson Crusoe, then poetries, then there are so many things you have learned from them. So you can get it, the conversation we are creating is some way or somewhat are you can get it from the textbooks as well, that we are using it in our next conversation. We are making it a conversations between a person, we are making it in a formal, we are making it informal ways. So you get what I meant, that you can all, after reading this conversation, you can see the how we are using present tense, past tense, future tense. Afterward we are going to use, after the end of future tense, we will be starting passive and active noun, how we are using passive and active noun in a conversation. So after this thing we will be starting passive and active noun. So for today, this is the for today we are ending my class, and we are going to meet on Thursday. So take care, have a nice day, and be healthy. Thank you.